Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri Kasaputra, and I from Management Study Program, uh, Faculty of Economy, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Today I will present it or explain my analysis about company performance management analysis Mitsubishi Motors Indonesia, or in specification is PT Mitsubishi Motors Krama Yuda Sales Indonesia. Or in Indonesian title is Analysis Management Kinerja Mitsubishi Motors Indonesia. Spesifikasinya PT Mitsubishi Motors Kramayuda Sales Indonesia. This analysis I used to finish my final exam assignment in Operational Management lecture. Boleh di uh, first, this is a definition that I used to be a base for my analysis. First, the definition for performance management. Performance management is a management job to control, monitoring, or supervise employees' works, so it can increasing employees' performance. And the second one is definition of performance assessment. Performance assessment is a process to evaluating or assess employees' performance by comparing that performance with company standard. There is few performance assessment method. The first one is like traditional assessment, MBO, 360 degrees feedback, assessment center method, and bars. Next. This is company profile of Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia, or PT Mitsubishi Motors Kramayuda Sales Indonesia, or MMKSI. MMKSI is an authorized distributor of Mitsubishi Motors vehicle in Indonesia, including passenger car and light commercial vehicle. Mitsubishi Motors have been present in Indonesia since 1970. Next. This is for the background for my analysis. Performance management was created by company to motivate and evaluate employees in a company. So it can be said if performance management had a relation with human resource or HR in company. If the HR was good and competent, it can determine on this or in this case will be increasing employees' performance when running the company system and all operational activities in it. But if the human resource is not competent when carrying out the duties, it can cause performance in the company decreasing. Next. And this is the theory review that I use for my analysis. There is two theory review: first, performance management and performance assessment. The first one is performance management. Michael Armstrong said performance management is a process which contributes to the effective management of individuals and teams in order to achieve high level of organizational performance. And the second theory is Maslow hierarchy needs. This theory indicates if people, specifically employees, are motivated to fulfill their needs and can affect their performance. Next. And the second one is theory review about performance assessment. Dessler said performance assessment is a process to evaluating an employee's current or past performance relative to performance standards. And the second one, Mattis and Jackson said is the process of evaluating how well employees perform their job compared to a set of standards and then communicating that information to employees. Next. This is the problems that I use to my analysis. First is what's advantage and disadvantage of implementing performance management in PT Mitsubishi Motors Indonesia, or MMKSI. The second is explain the analysis that related to needs, motivation, action, performance improvement, and employee satisfaction in PT Mitsubishi Motors Indonesia, or MMKSI. And the last one is what happens if employee satisfaction in PT Mitsubishi Motors Indonesia, or MMKSI, is decreased. Next. This is the result for my analysis. The first one is what is advantage of implementing performance management in PT Mitsubishi Motors Indonesia or MMKSI. First is management of PT Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI pays attention to the condition of its employees by providing adequate facilities, salaries, allowance, health insurance, and everything closely related to employees' welfare. And the second one is the company also provides adequate and systematic training. The third one, PT Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI has a healthy organizational culture. Every individual in it supports each other, also evaluates each other, not only superiors to subordinates, but also to fellow work partners. Next. And this what is disadvantage of implementing performance management in PT Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI. The first one is management of PT Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI often assigns excessive amounts of work to its employees. So this can affect the stress and workload of the company's employees. And the second one is lack of accuracy of the assessment method used in the process of assessing the performance employees. And the last one is there are often difference between parties conducting performance assessment. Next. This is result number 2 from problems number 2. Explain the analysis that related to needs, motivation, action, performance improvement, and employee satisfaction in PT Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia. The first one is needs, factors that affecting needs company employees in Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI was a motivation to fulfill their economic, social, and self-esteem needs. And the factor that affecting employees' motivation was organization culture. For example, Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia have organizational culture to always support each other, not only between superiors and subordinates, also with work partners. But this culture has not applied comprehensively in every Mitsubishi Motors group. Next. And next result is action factors that affecting employees action to work is motivation to fulfill self needs, responsibility, and salaries or allowance. And the factor that affecting employees performance is organization culture, environment, salary, and allowance. But in technical, employees training and discipline also can affect employees performance. And the last one is employee satisfaction. Factors that can affecting employee satisfaction is everything that related to employees' needs. For example, salary and allowance. Next. And this is the last problem from my problem analysis. What happens if employee satisfaction in PT Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI decrease? Something that can happen if employee satisfaction in Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI decrease that affected to this company is company will get loss to his profit, product quality, and company performance also get decrease. And the worst things also can be happens if employee satisfaction decrease is that employee will resign from the job and company will lose their employees and get bad image from such society because cannot fulfill the employee satisfaction. Next. And the last one is conclusion for my analysis. Implementing performance management is important for increasing performance within the company. With performance management, employees will be able to easily evaluate their performance and identify any existing gaps or deficiencies. In that way, all mistakes that have been made can be evaluated and corrected in the future. Mitsubishi Motor Indonesia or MMKSI directly or indirectly prove that performance management can help an employees improve their performance. Not only that, the company's role also help its employees in improving employee performance and motivation in achieving company goals. Next. Thank you for your attention. That's all for my presentation and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.